Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Dr. Nancy Hurtado-Ziola. I'm a research assistant professor at the University of New Mexico, and I'm the Associate Director for the Initiative for Maximizing Student Development at the University of New Mexico, and also part of the Pathways Scholars Mentoring Program. Prior to working here at the University of New Mexico, I spent about 5 years as a principal investigator at a small startup out in San Diego, California. Our company there focused on glycobiology, and we used glycobiology as a way to find diagnostics and treatments for cancer.
What is your role on the Diversity Advisory Committee?
So I've always been involved in working with minority populations. In fact, one of the places I worked was with SACNAS, to work with undergraduate students. But here in the Keystone Symposia Diversity Advisory Committee, I have the opportunity to work with people who are already at their early career stage. And here what we do is we work with people who are now either postdoc or early career. And the program provides access and mentoring that early career people need in order to, at more advanced levels, in order to help them achieve success. And what we do is we do things like identify and recruit potential fellows, we review the applications, and we also identify and evaluate opportunities specifically for these fellows. Some of what we do is we also, through the advisement that we give the Keystone Symposia, is we help provide experience that these fellows will obtain that result in understanding and insight into the development of high quality research meetings. This is a venue where high impact is possible because these are individuals putting these meetings together that will determine the direction of research. So this is a really, for me as a mentor, this is a really wonderful way to help affect people who need mentoring in their early stages of their research career.
What is good mentoring?
Well, good mentoring, first and foremost, is a relationship. And like all good relationships, it benefits both the mentor and the student. And good relationships always require an establishment of a rapport. I remember a mentor once told me that she expected to learn as much from me as I would learn from her. And good mentoring requires the evaluation of student needs, goals, and aspirations. Now, initially, mentoring will include the sharing of knowledge and information that the student is learning as an undergraduate. As students progress, good mentoring will also help students identify which skills are needed. But later, when a student graduates and enters the early career stage of being a scientist, then advocacy and sponsorship type mentoring is required, and that requires a very different kind of skill set.